Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate hard drive or SSD not showing in Windows. Sometimes when you upgrade your SSD or HDD, you will find out that you can't actually see it in your file explorer. So that's because it is not allocated. So in this video I'm going to show you how to activate a hard drive or SSD that is not showing in Windows. This can work with Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first thing, what you have to do is to search for create and format hard disk partition. You're going to see it right here. Click on it to take you to the disk management. So if you upgrade your SSD or hard drive, you're going to see them below here with the black color, which means unallocated. So what you have to do is to right click on the SSD or HDD you upgraded. Click on New Simple Volume. Click on Next. Click on Next. Don't touch anything, but you can change the drive letter if you want. Click on Next. You can rename your storage if you want to. I'm going to just leave it to New Volume. Click on Next. Then click on Finish. You're going to format the drive and now mount it in your this PC, which is your file explorer. You can see right here. So that's how to activate HDD or SSD that is not showing in Windows 10 or 11. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.